This is a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. It features a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, front and rear reading lights, XM satellite radio, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a double wishbone independent front suspension, running boards, a low tire pressure indicator, an external temperature gauge, and this vehicle has fewer than 37,000 miles on the odometer. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.